Before we get started with this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also join the notification squad by pressing all on the notification bell. And also be sure to join the Discord link down below. If you remember, a couple months ago, I did an unboxing of a Ghostek case, and also I did a discussion about cases. Well, Ghostek was nice enough to send me this battery pack. The NRG pack comes with 5,000 milliamp hours, and so today we're going to unbox it, and let's get right into it. Okay, so quickly before we start, I got my trusty pocket knife here, and also you can flip open the cover, and there it is. You see a QR code, scan for some video instructions, which we're probably not going to do. So anyway, we're going to start unboxing, and by the looks of it, we got tape to the sides, which we're going to use the good old-fashioned pocket knife to cut. Of course, we cut away from us, because that's how you avoid accidents. We woke up with 10 fingers. I want to go to bed with 10 fingers. Okay, so we did that. We cut that, and now we're gonna take this out. This feels like it's kind of got a luxury feel to it, a little bit. And there it is in all its glory. You got the micro USB short cable here. I'm gonna put that down for a minute. There's nothing else in here other than some, looks to be like some sort of metal or something. I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna get that out of here, and we're gonna take this out. Wow, this is hard to take out. Okay, so here it is. It feels really light compared to Hockey battery pack. Okay, so this is really light, and now for some first impressions. Okay, so this has a matte finish to it, and you press a button here and you see the lights that are right here. This will indicate how much battery is left in this, and so you got your out 2.1 for charging, out 1 amp charging right here, and then of course you got micro USB here. I don't see USB Type-C at all, which is quite unfortunate in this day and age. You can see that it's got matte black and KVHD. I'm sure would appreciate that. It's got a rose gold thing here. But anyway, that's going to be it for this impressions video. Be sure to stay tuned for the review, as I will be reviewing this product in the next couple of days. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and join the Discord link down below, and press that notification bell if you want to know when I upload again. See ya!